Let's get started. Solution 1. First, check whether Docker is installed on your computer. If you have Docker installed, completely uninstall it from your system, as it may interfere with Valorant's network connection. You should also check for third-party VPN software, such as Radman VPN. If Radman VPN or another VPN is installed, temporarily disable it. If disabling it doesn't help, uninstall it from your computer. Once you have completed these steps, restart the Riot client and try launching Valorant again. If the VAN 293 error continues, move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Open your web browser and search for Cloudflare Warp. Open the official Cloudflare website. Download the version designed for your operating system, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once the download finishes, open the installer and install Cloudflare Warp on your computer. After the installation is complete, launch the Cloudflare application. Open its connection settings and select the option that routes both your internet traffic and DNS through Warp. Then click Connect. Wait until Cloudflare confirms that the connection is active. Now right-click the Start menu and select Run. Type services.msc, then press Enter. When the Services window opens, press the letter V on your keyboard to quickly locate the VGC service. Double-click VGC. Change the startup type to automatic. If the service status shows stopped, click Start. Wait a few seconds for the service to begin running. Then click Apply, followed by OK. Close the Services window. Make sure Cloudflare Warp is still connected. Now completely close and reopen the Riot client. Launch Valorant and check whether the VAN 293 connection error has been resolved. And that's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix the Valorant VAN 293 connection error and allow you to connect to the game normally again.